guys, I'm Ella Banana and welcome to my art channel. In this video, I'll share with you the tools and materials we need for our 30-day watercolor painting challenge. So if you want to join this challenge, panoorin mo itong video na to. What's up guys, I'm Ella Banana and welcome to my art channel. Bago natin pag-usapan yung mga watercolor supplies na kailangan natin for our 30-day watercolor painting challenge, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon, and enable all the notifications para lagi kang updated. And please join my Discord server for quick chats and exclusive updates. You can find the link in the description below.
Okay, so first let's talk about the watercolor paper. There are three different surface types: hot pressed, cold pressed, and rough. Hot pressed is the smoothest. Cold pressed has a medium textured surface, and rough is the most textured watercolor paper. It is also available in different formats, in pads, blocks, and sheets. Watercolor papers are divided in two different grades: student grade and professional or artist grade. And there are three weight classes: light, medium, and heavy. And for this challenge, I'll be using Saunders Waterford watercolor paper, which is cold pressed, 100% cotton, acid-free, and is 300 grams per square meter. I like using medium and heavy papers mainly because they absorb more water and really require stretching. Next, the paintbrush. Watercolor paint brushes come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and hair types. The shapes can be round, flat, sputter, rigger, wash, cake, mop, and oval. The size ranges from 4 zeros right up to 50, and the hair types are available in sable, squirrel, ox, goat, hog, camel, and synthetic fibers. For this challenge, I'll be using just these two brushes: the Raphael Soft Aqua Synthetic Round Brush in size 12 and the Winsor & Newton Series 7 in size 1. And now the paints. Watercolor paints come in different kinds of varieties. There are two grades: student and professional or artist quality. The paints are available in a wide range of colors, either in small tubes or pens. And for this challenge, I'll be using artist quality paints. The colors I'll be using are the ones suggested in this book, or something similar to these, specifically the cadmium yellow light, cadmium red, French ultramarine, burnt sienna, viridian, and violet. If you can find the exact colors suggested here, you can also just pick the colors similar to these. You can download the guide in the link below. We will also be needing paper towels, masking tape or artist tape, water container, palette, pencil, and kneaded eraser.
So those are the tools and materials we need for our 30-day watercolor painting challenge. I hope it helps you in preparing for this challenge. And if you haven't watched the introduction, just click this link up here and see you in my next video.